I'm tired of crying love. You try to buy my love. I'm tired of crying love.
Hey guys, it's Kay, of course, and I'm back with another video. So this week I'm going to be sharing with you guys is from UNice Hair. So just in case any of you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and leave all the links in the description box. So the wig I'm going to be dyeing today is this gorgeous 613 bob. It is a lace front wig, you guys, and I am so in love with this wig. So this is basically the construction. It comes with 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And now let's move on to the dyeing. So I did go ahead, well, not even dyeing, but it's just like toning the hair. The toner I used to tone this hair was by Clairol, and it was the T18. I'll go ahead and list everything in my description box just in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm just mixing that with 20 volume developer, and I'm just putting it all over the wig, you guys. Make sure you don't miss any spots. You want to make sure you're getting that toner everywhere, okay? Now, I did mess up, and y'all gonna see my mistake. Yeah, so just keep on watching. But now I'm gonna tell you, I freaking left. I feel like I left it on too long, but I don't know what was up. I feel like today was just not my day, y'all, because the freaking wig turned gray. It was like a purplish grayish color. I was not feeling it. If you know me, you know I don't bang with the gray hair. Nope, not at all. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. But as you watch this video, you'll see that the wig freaking turned gray, and I had to go back and dye it over. But while y'all watching me like turn my wig gray, I'm going to talk a little bit about this hair. So basically, this hair is freaking bomb, y'all. Like when I say it's bomb. Straight out of the pack. It was just like so soft and luscious, and it's a bob. It's just the only thing that I don't like about this hair is the fact that the lace is so light. Like look how white that lace is. I was not feeling it, and I struggled trying to blend it in with my skin or with my complexion. So if you do decide to order this wig, make sure that you specify that you want lace that's going to blend in with your skin complexion, because this did not work for me at all. That's the only downfall for this, but other than that, it was cool. So now I'm going to rinse the wig out and make sure you get all of that toner out. You don't want to leave any in, because boy, will your stuff start shedding. But this is the conditioner and shampoo that I used. And now I'm going to cut these combs out of this wig. But as y'all can see, like, look at the color of this wig. I was not feeling it at all. But anyway, I usually cut the combs out in the front and leave the one in the back, because I feel like when I do this, my wig lays so much more flatter. That's just me. If you use your combs, then keep them in there. But for me, I got to get rid of these bad boys. But that's basically what I'm doing now. And after I do that, I am going to show you guys how I quickly pluck my hairline. Now, if you hear anything in the background, please excuse it. It's my son, and he is like coughing up a storm. He can't get it right. Now, this is just something slight. You don't really want to over pluck your lighter or blonde wigs, because I don't know, personally me, I just take it easy when I'm plucking the blonde wigs, because it's just better that way, in my opinion, because the hair is already light. So I'm just taking like sections and like 1, 2, 3 in it, if that makes any sense. Like plucking no more than 3 hairs at a time. So like 1, 2, 3, move over to the next section, 1, 2, 3. And then whatever looks like it needs to be plucked, then go ahead and pluck it. But just make sure you don't over pluck it. So I start in the front, and then I work my way in the back a little bit, and this is what it looks like. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying, because y'all know I'm trash when it comes to explaining everything. Okay, so because my wig turned out gray and I didn't like it, that wasn't really the look that I was going for. I had to purchase more color. So this is in the same brand, Clairol, and this is an actual like dye. And it's in the color Golden Blonde, which is like 12G. Like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box. But yeah, I used two. I brought two bottles, but I used 1.5, and I mixed it with 20 volume developer again. So that's me just mixing half of it this time. Um, yeah. So I'm adding. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. Yeah, I used 1.5 bottles. I'm mixing it all together, and that's what it looks like. And now I'm just going to apply this to the hair. And you guys, this made a total difference. Like, this definitely got out the gray. If you're trying to get this same color, I would just recommend starting with a 613 wig and then buying the Clairol Golden Blonde 12G color and doing it that way. But like I said, I don't really know if it would turn out, if my hair turned out the color that it is now because I toned it first. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, you guys. And that's the end of this video for real. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill.